Today we got a video from Lens of Law, and the title of the video is Unhinged Employee Gets Brutal Reality Check After Drinking on the Job.
You can't take this away from me. All I do is work. Come on, guys.
Lay on your stomach.
I am.
You're under arrest. Lay on your stomach.
What?
On May 25th, 2023, in Lake Hallie, Wisconsin, Officer Hutchinson was dispatched to locate an employee, Michael, after he had been drinking on the job and had subsequently damaged a company vehicle. After discovering him, the following exchange occurred.
You don't even want to know, bro.
Okay.
Can I have a ride to the chipper shop?
Here, why don't we just stand over here just so we're not in the lane of traffic? Just tell me what's going on.
Dude, I'm fucking sick of this shit. I don't even want to tell you. I don't even want to tell you. This is embarrassing, bro.
What is?
My job. I'm fucking sick of working for these f***ing
Okay.
They want to fucking push me over 14 hours a week.
Okay. So what happened today?
Do they fucking... Okay, you want to know what happened? I don't drive anything. I don't drive anything.
Okay.
I'm a fucking slave laborer, okay?
Okay.
They want to be mad at me. Dude, all I do is bust my ass for them fucking fat. I bust my ass for these motherfuckers. And they want to jump on me because I have a drink. I don't drive none of their shit. I don't have a license.
Okay.
I'm not responsible for nothing.
Okay.
So I want to have a drink. Me and the old lady are fighting. I want to have a drink. They want to ride my ass, bro.
Any other alcohol in there, or you mind if I...
You know, I do mind. Don't look at this either, bro. Look away. I smoke. Dude, I smoke. Okay? I smoke.
Okay.
Look away.
Okay.
I bust my fucking ass every day, bro. I work. Look at me. Dude, I work. I work my fucking ass off for these slave drivers. I'm sorry. All I'm trying to do is give me a ride. That's what I want.
Is it Michael?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Michael?
Yes.
Where's the weed at? Okay. If you give me the weed, okay, I'm not gonna charge you with it, but give it to me.
I want to go home with it. I bust my ass.
I can't let you go.
I bust my ass.
I'm trying to
Look at me. I work my ass off every day, bro. Every day I slave drive. Please.
I get it. Okay.
Please.
Just listen to me, okay?
Please.
Just listen to me. All right?
Please.
Just listen. Okay. I can't let you go home with it.
Please, bro. Please.
If you cooperate with me,
I bust my ass every day, bro.
Michael, if you cooperate with me and give it to me, okay, I'm not going to charge you with it, okay?
Right now, you're some That's some bull, bro. I bust my ass every day, bro. I don't need no more. Let me go on my way, please. Just leave me alone.
Michael, we need to figure out what's going on.
Dude, I work my ass off for these motherfuckers.
Nope.
I work I work my ass off for these motherfuckers.
Let go.
Let go of it. I work my ass off for these. You're not gonna take my.
Let go of him.
You can't take.
Now
this
you're
away
going to
from
jail.
me. All I do is work. Come on, guys.
Let go.
Let go.
Let go.
No.
On your stomach. On your stomach. Now. Stop resisting.
Get on your stomach.
Get on your stomach.
No. Fuck that.
Man.
On your stomach, you're gonna get tased.
Oh, damn, that was quick.
On your stomach.
On your stomach, you're going to get taken.
Stop resisting. Get on your stomach. I'm not
Dang.
doing nothing.
Lay it down on your stomach.
I'm not doing
275 County
nothing.
Restricted Channel.
I'm not doing nothing.
Lay on your stomach.
I am.
You're under arrest. Lay on your stomach.
For what?
Taser.
Yeah, getting him together, boy. Fighting on the side of the highway is crazy. That's so dangerous.
You just made it stuff a whole lot worse for you.
I tried talking to you, motherfucker.
You need to relax, guy. You need to relax. Relax. We're not getting off till you stop turning around.
So you go from getting fired, because you're probably going to get fired for drinking on the job and acting like an ass. So you're going to go from getting fired to getting fired and having some legal issues. You know, when you're under the influence, man, it really clouds your judgment. The cop was actually, I think he was actually being pretty reasonable, because when he was digging through the bag, he probably seen the weed or whatever, and it wasn't a crazy amount, you know what I'm saying? So he probably like, just give it to me. I'm not gonna trip on that, you know what I mean? But we gotta get you off this highway, you know? That's probably where the cop was coming from. But when he came and started grabbing the bottle and everything like that, I mean, it's like, man, and you could tell this guy is definitely going through some stuff, you know what I mean? He's probably an alcoholic, you know. It's probably not the first time he's done it on the job. Probably just the first time he's gotten caught. And, you know, arguing with the old lady and everything like that, you know, and you got problems at home, and, you know, people go to work to, you know, get their mind off of it, or, you know, and stuff like that. And it's driving him to drink. And, yeah, you could tell this guy is probably at the point where he's like, he's just ready to be done. He doesn't feel appreciated at work. He doesn't feel appreciated at home. I mean, he feels overworked. You know, this guy is just, you know, so on one hand, I feel bad for him, you know, but on the other end, when it comes to dealing with law enforcement, you can't act like that, man. And if you act like that, they gonna get you together, okay? They gonna get you together, which they did. They said, Michael, you're gonna be they gonna get you together, okay? All right, you need a software update. All right, you ain't acting right. That's what's going on.
No,
You, bro.
tension up.
You.
The hardware looks good, but the software ain't working right.
Let go.
Put him on his butt. Go on your couch. On your butt.
Oh, Sarge had to get busy too.
Stay right like this.
What is your right? You have none. What is your rights? What is your rights?
I don't even know if my radio's
What
working.
is your rights?
Stop.
What is your rights? What is your rights, smoker? Yeah.
Stop.
Smoker. What is your rights?
You want to have... He's got some scrape stuff. You want to have EMS come out?
What is your rights? You what is your rights?
Stop.
No. What is your rights?
You're under arrest. That's what they're waiting
For
for.
what?
For criminal damage and resisting. That's what you're under arrest for.
What that criminally damage?
Your work trucks.
Bull, I did. Bull. Prove it. Prove it.
Once you calm down, we'll sit you on your rear end. You gotta stop doing that, though. You want to get off the ground?
Nope.
You want to lay there?
Yep.
I couldn't hear anything, so I have no idea. Stop!
You did.
Stop it.
Negative, there's not.
Hold my hand. I'm not playing these games with you. Stop it. Stop resisting.
Let me go.
Oh,
Have to cancel that standby. Come on.
damn. Oh.
What's going on? What's going on?
Settle down,
What's
Mike.
going on? What is going on? What is going on? What is going on?
Damn, even the white chocolate brothers get it, man. God dang, man. God damn. God damn. I'm going to just leave it at that. You see what he said, man. God dang, man. Come on, man. Damn, that's crazy, man. Be your own people, man.
Let
Golly.
me breathe. Let go.
I'm gonna step up, but I think I might be on the way up.
Let go of me.
You hold that leg.
I'm crying. I'm crying.
That was a ambulance, the dump truck, and you have to come down 33.
I am, motherfuckers. I am.
Crush his
Let me go.
ankle.
Hey man, if you stop fighting us and just relax, we can sit you up, but you gotta relax.
Right on the shin. Get him together.
Get off my ankle. Ow. Get off my ankle, mother.
Well,
He did that on purpose, that's for sure.
not till you calm down.
Ow. Ow.
There.
Yes, thank you, motherfucker. Now let me lay on my back for
No.
You're gonna stay just like this.
no. Don't touch
I
me.
can handle this bit. He bit me already though.
He bit you?
No, the f if I did. bitch. You want me to bite you? I will. I will. Come here. Don't
I don't
touch-
think so.
Don't,
Don't bite
don't
anybody.
touch me.
Knock it off.
Don't touch me.
Don't.
Oh! 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 Oh!
401 County, I'll be out with Lake Alley.
Oh! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Mike, relax.
I am.
Take a deep breath. The sooner you calm down, the sooner we're done with this.
1, 2, 3.
Roll my side a little bit.
I think those are Jamie's.
Yep. You good?
Yeah.
Michael was then transported to the hospital for medical clearance, where he continued to behave abrasively with the officers and medical staff. After being cleared, he was transported to the Chippewa County Jail. Michael had caused approximately $9,500 worth of damage to the company vehicle. In court, he was found guilty on the charges of criminal damage to property, exceeding $2,500 and battery 2, and discharging bodily fluids at a law enforcement officer. He was sentenced to be held on probation for 3 years. Additionally, he was obligated to pay more than $1,600 in fines. Please consider showing your support by liking this video. If
Probation, another one with no jail time. But he got, what, 2-3 felonies, though? Convicted of 2-3 felonies, no jail time. Oh, man. Whatever. So that's why people act like that. No punishment. Probation. Checking with your officer, what, once a week, or once a month? Come on, man. God, what a joke. Anyway, like I said, you could tell he's been going through a lot, but still no excuse to act like that with the officers. And and for that, they got to get you together. I'm gonna get officers, man, 5 out of 5, because I think they did pretty good. I think the first officer was definitely reasonable. And he tried to work with dude. He was definitely going to jail regardless, just because of the damage that he did to the company truck. But I don't think the officer was trying to make his life worse than what it already was. So because you still got open container, you got the other stuff that he handed over. It's still multiple things that that he could have. But anyway, 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.